In this video, I will show you how to add the vendor name on packing slips. And as you can see, in my case, the vendor name is displayed between the product title and the SKU. So to add the vendor, simply log into Shopify admin account and then go to settings. And then look for shipping and delivery. Then scroll away to the bottom and then look for the packing slip section. Then select edit template. Now, before making changes in the existing code, simply copy everything and save it in the text document. And now, place the cursor anywhere in the empty space and just press Ctrl F on keyboard and type SKU. Then press next. In my case, the SKU code is located on the line 132. So what we're going to do is copy this whole if statement, all this stuff. In my case, between line 132 and 136. Copy it and paste it just above. And now what we're going to do is just change the SKU for vendor. Right here and in here. Then press save. Now let's go to the orders and open the orders. And then let's go to more actions and print packing slips. As you can see, the vendor name is displayed just right under the product title. And in case your product has the variant, it's going to be right under the variant. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tip helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.